Hey, welcome to StaxInvesting. My name's Caleb and thanks for checking us out. I'll be straight up front with you. I don't want to waste your time. If what we offer can genuinely help solve a problem for you in your trading, great. We'd love to work with you. If it's not a fit, that's perfectly fine too. No pressure, no chasing you down, no emails unless you actually want to sign up. Deal? All right. So if you've been around trading for long enough, you've probably seen videos like this before. They sell you on the dream. They talk about money for 30 minutes. They flash cars and jets and lifestyles and then finally drop a massive price tag at the end. This isn't one of those videos. We don't need to convince you that more money would be helpful. You already know that. And we don't have flashy props to show you. What we do have is serious options trading automation platform offered at a flat rate of $400 per month. That's it. Our business doesn't rely on hype or one-time leaps of faith. It relies on delivering value month after month. If you've traded more than a short time, you probably have a love-hate relationship with it. You love the challenge, the problem solving, the feeling that a solid setup is just right around the corner. But you also know the other side, the overthinking entries, hesitating when it's time to act, overriding exits, revenge trading, or overtrading when you should have walked away. For most traders, the real struggle isn't knowledge or strategy, it's execution under pressure. You already know what your strategy says you should do. The problem is sticking to it when your emotions get involved. If you could step outside that emotional roller coaster and execute the same way every single time, trading would look very different. That's where automation comes in. A lot of traders reach the same conclusion. I need automation. But then the questions start. Where do I begin? Who's legit? Why does everything feel overpriced and underdelivered? Most automation platforms fall into one of these three categories. Either there's a signal service where they tell you what to trade and expect you just to follow blindly. Black box systems where you don't understand the logic and don't control any of the settings or the risk. Or rigid bots, which is a one-size-fits-all strategy that doesn't adapt to how you personally trade. For experienced traders, none of these are ideal because they remove all control. What we build is different. This platform is a tool for execution, not a strategy vendor and not a signal service. You stay in control. Whether you use one of our tested automation frameworks or bring your own strategy entirely, you decide. You decide when trades are triggered, how positions are managed, how risk is handled, when automation pauses or stops entirely. And also, we never touch your money. We never have access to your accounts. Everything runs based on rules you define. No predictions, no guarantees, no hidden logic. The system does exactly what it's told to do, nothing more. And who's this for? And this part matters. This software is not for beginners. It's built for traders who already understand options and the basics of the market. You don't need to be a professional, but you do need experience trading live markets, a basic understanding of charts and options mechanics, a willingness to think in terms of rules and risk. And just as important, an understanding this is not a magic money printer, because those don't exist. Automation doesn't remove risk, it removes emotional inconsistency. The results you get will always depend on the strategies and settings guiding the system. Here's a simple way to think about it. Imagine our platform is like a Formula One car. The car itself is powerful, precise, and capable, but it doesn't go anywhere on its own. The engine in this story is your strategy signal you choose to trigger the trades. One of ours or one of yours that you bring. The driver is your configuration settings, your entries, your exits, your position sizing, and your risk rules. A great car doesn't guarantee a win, but with a skilled driver and a solid plan, it gives you the ability to execute at a very high level. That's what our platform is designed to do. Access to the software is $400 per month. No contracts, no hidden fees, cancel anytime. If you've been considering automating your options trading and you want control instead of hype, the next step is to explore our platform in more detail. Below this video, you'll find a full walkthrough that shows exactly how the software works. Take your time, make sure it fits how you trade, and if it does, we'll show you how to get started.